Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 setups for today. So a bit of a pullback yesterday, and then we sort of just come into no man's land. Now, as far as I'm concerned, we are still in a range. That's kind of the zones of the range, and there's one other level here which we are flirting with, which is this tail of this pin bar here. And you can see we're up in a sort of above and below it at the moment with a little range bar. Nothing really more to say on the 8-hour trend is up. This to me is a range we would need to drop below the low of last week for us to even consider looking for opportunities to the downside. So we're still looking for opportunities to the upside. And the question that we should be asking ourselves is, where is the entry point? So yesterday's Monday price action, which is pretty much always quite muted. And if you look at last week was kind of nothing going on as we were waiting for data. Data came out and we sort of big up, big down. We've had a big down yesterday. Well, gradual climb to the top of the range, as I said, and then down, and we missed a couple of levels, and we've just sort of fallen into the halfway mark of this range. Now, when you get to the hour, this is where it starts getting interesting. So Friday's price action, we had the tails, the upside, tails to the downside, a lot of confusion, then sort of hovering along the top of the range. Then I don't know what happened, some data came out or something came out, and straight down. Tried to find support on this 8-hour level at 56.21. Didn't quite get as low as 5600, which is another level we were looking at yesterday. And when you look at this, pin bars rule supreme again, because there's the pin bar, and that's where price was. Look at my oscillators at the moment. They've separated slightly and they have rolled over to the upside. So this little downward trend, we'll look at it on a lower time frame now, but this little downward trend from yesterday has also been broken this morning. So I suspect we're probably looking for a revisit to top of the range at 56.45 area. There's nothing really we can see here on the 1 hour. At 15-minute, you'll see how we tried to find support at this level, broke below it, and now we are flirting with it again. So this is the key level for us at the moment. We need to get back above 56.21, get back above it, come back, test it, and then we're looking for a move back to the upside. There is a little gap up here as well, but as I said yesterday, there's also this gap all the way down at 55.93. So that's kind of my view at the moment. This is more a case of sit back and be careful and wait for some structure. If you look at this on the 5 minutes, you'll see a cup and handle here. So here's your cup, here's your handle, and we've got a crossover of the moving averages and sort of breaking back above this level. So this level is what I'd be watching today, 56.21. Want to get back above it, find support here, get above the moving averages, and then you're looking for a move back to level of 56.45 area at the moment. So possibly even looking for the high of yesterday. There's a little bit of a gap here on the 5 minutes as well. We need some catalyst, and there will be some catalyst today, being a Tuesday, so there's normally a mix of data and noise in the market that comes out. So that's kind of what I would be waiting for. Other than that, sit back and be careful. But this, we spoke about this trend line. So there's the trend line break and retest there. You can see we formed a little bit of a triangle or a flag of sorts. So we've got a break of it this morning. We've got a retest of it early this morning, and now we're continuing up. So I suspect we're going back to the top of the range. So wait for the retest, then you're looking for your long, or alternatively, if you are not able to watch the markets 24/7 like me, sit back and wait for this range to break. So then you'd be waiting for a break and retest of 56.45 before looking for opportunity to get in. That's kind of my view for today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.